They're caught in the web of spin. Oja gets 5, Ashwin gets 4. The Windies bowled out for 182. Harini Rana right outside the Wankhede in the thick of all the action. Harini, the Windies just falling like, haystack there in the wind.
Absolutely showing no fight, West Indies. Same as what they put up at the Eden Gardens. They're repeating it at the Wankhede. Indian bowlers, of course, spinners making a merry out here. The twin spins of India, Ashwin and Oja striking and doing really well for India, picking up those crucial 9 wickets. Now West Indies just over 50 overs is what they've batted. None of the batsmen getting over 50 runs on the board. 182 all out. But the good news here for all the fans would be that India would be batting and everybody would be hoping that Sachin Tendulkar will be in action tomorrow, if not today. Everyone would be hoping that Sachin does not have to come out to bat today. And tomorrow will be a big day for all the fans who will turn out at the Wankhede in large numbers to catch a glimpse of Master. The bad news might be the fact that this match will not last for more 4 or 5 days is what a lot of people would want to believe after the proceedings that have happened in the first 3 hours of play. But the big news coming in at this point of time, Indian bowlers dominating and continue to trouble the Windies, who failed to once again put up a strong fight against India at Wankhede as well this time around.